Fair play, we are doing a bit of an iron butt challenge here, aren't we? Good morning from Llandudno. Look at this view, look at the cliffs and stuff. Is the sea, is the ocean. I've got my two buddies with me. So we had an emotional day yesterday with all the rain and just the sheer miles that we did. Anyway, we're on the way up to some mountain that Rocky's taking us. What's it called? What's it called, Rock? The Great Orme. I know, and it's always fucking I'm near the end of it, like, fuck's sake. Alright, so you nearly died. Yep. This is a nice road. Or it would be a nicer road if we weren't stuck behind all the traffic. Oh, come on, mate, you're doing 18 miles. Big P, what do we think of the food situation so far? Time to go. Mount up. So we're just leaving. What's this place called? Yeah, so we're just leaving this cafe outside Betos, making our way to Lake Bala. I think here we go. Ah, this is looking a lot more lakey, isn't it? So we're going to find somewhere to park and then get the drone up, I think. So we're just leaving Bala, and a really lovely place, really nice lake. However, we didn't have much luck with an ice cream, and now Big P is very upset. As you can see, yeah. Well, I mean, what do I say about this place? Look at that. Scenery is amazing. Oh, these turns are just wow. Oh, suicidal sheep. The turns mixed with the scenery is just, it's something else, honestly. Absolutely something else. Look at that. Road closed ahead. Oh, okay. Didn't want to go up there anyway. Look at that. This is an absolute biker's dream. You. Wow. Oh god, that's making my stomach go a bit funny. It probably doesn't look as close to you, but these are quite narrow roads, and yeah, I mean, wow. This is my country. Absolutely blessed in every way. I don't think I personally could have picked a better bike to do this. I know that there are superior bikes, regardless of. It just has a real real soul about it and a personality about it. You know, sometimes it's a little bit clunky, sometimes the sort of indicators don't work properly, and there's always these little niggles about it that are just silly. But when you get this bike into a place like an environment like this, it just comes alive. So if you haven't done so already and you want to see more content like this from me, from those two as well, please hit that subscribe button and come along for the ride. We're only day 2 into about, well, 4 or 5 day bike trip, depending on what the weather's doing. So there's still a lot more of this to come. If you haven't seen the first episode, I'll link that in the description. I'll put it up in the little box in the corner. Well, that was an absolutely brilliant little drone test then. That house over there, it's incredible. Imagine living there. Absolutely amazing. Such a cool place this. So we've had a good day. It's been a fairly chill day. Haven't done a huge amount because at the end of the day, I've said day like about 15 times there. At the end of the day, we wanted to just have a really reasonably chilled day, because tomorrow is going to be a really long one. We're heading down to Milford Haven. So we're going to ride the west coast of Wales all the way down to Milford Haven, where we're going to meet my dad, Papa Duck, and he's going to take us out on a lovely boat ride. But I mean, that might not happen due to the weather, but we'll see how it goes. Hopefully, fingers crossed, everybody, if you're watching this, it's going to happen. In the meantime, we are going to make our way back slowly. We're only about an hour away from Rocky's family's house. So we're going to make our way back and enjoy some more of Mama Rocky's incredible hospitality. If she ever gets to watch this, thank you very much for looking after us the last couple of days. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this episode. We are going to get some fun riding, get ourselves home, and I'll see you soon.